Okay, hello Helen. Nice to see you. ¿Cómo estás? I see many students here. Hello, great to see you. Today we will have a great class together with Open English Mode. Hello everyone, bienvenidos. My name is Megan. We are getting ready to start today's Open English Mode class. So how are you? ¿Cómo estás? You can send a comment to say hello and introduce yourself. Oh, good. I see someone from Argentina on Instagram. Hello, welcome. Okay, I will watch for your comments. Today we are going to study some English tips and tricks together. Okay, hello Myra on Facebook. Nice to see you. Welcome, bienvenidos. Excellent, great. It is great to see so many students here. Hello, Andrea. Okay, let's get started. So today's class is English tips and tricks, and we are talking about false friends today. So, bienvenidos a Open English Mode, 10 minutos de inglés gratis con Open English. Mi nombre es Megan de Chicago, Estados Unidos. Soy profesora de inglés con 5 años de experiencia enseñando en Open English. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre falsos cognados. Oh, hello, Zen. I see Zen is from Iraq. Welcome. Okay, let's begin. So we will start with a little quiz, a little test, un examen pequeño. Which picture represents the word? Be careful, ten cuidado. The word that I am looking at is large, the English word large. Which picture represents the word? Picture number 1, the rope, or picture number 2, the coffee? What do you think? Envía tus comentarios. Which picture represents the English word large? Hello, Gerardo. Hello, Guadalupe. Hello, Alex. Welcome. Good afternoon, Gina. Okay, so what do you think? Which picture represents large? Picture number 1, the rope, or picture number 2, the coffee? Send your comments. Envía tus comentarios. Okay, we can review together. I see some responses coming in here. Let's review. Okay, we are looking at a false friend here. So the English word large does not represent the Spanish word largo. They are different. So what is a false friend? False friends are words that look or sound the same in different languages, but they have different meanings. So we have to listen very carefully to the context of conversations to understand the meaning of words. So in our example, large in English and largo in Espanol sound similar and look similar, but they have different meanings. Large in English is something that is bigger than an average size. For example, this house has 20 rooms. It is large, grande. And long in English is something that extends over a distance. For example, this cord stretches 5 meters. It is long, largo. So let's practice using these words correctly because false friends can be confusing. What is something long? Do you know any words in English for something long? And what is something large, grande? What do you think? Envía tus comentarios. I will watch for your comments. What is something long and what is something large? Oh, good. I see many other comments. Many people, Diana, you are correct. Marina, you identified the correct picture for large. Very good. Do you know any English words that represent something long and something large? Send your comments. Envía tus comentarios. Alex says, what is the theme today? We are talking about false friends, falsos cognados. Good question, Alex. Okay, so for example, I see some good, as Stefania on Instagram says, a song can be long. That talks about the duration. the time. Let's see, for example, here I will say a cable is long, a cable for my computer maybe. And what is something large? Something large is big. Maybe I can say a very big pizza is large. I can get a large pizza. Great examples here, very good. Let's continue practicing. Okay, which picture represents the word? Be careful. The English word here is embarrassed. Embarrassed. Is this represented by picture number 1 or picture number 2? Envía tus comentarios. In picture number 1, we see a woman at work. She is covering her face. Maybe she made a mistake. And in picture number 2, we see a woman at the doctor's office. She is preparing to have a baby. So what do you think? Embarrassed, picture number 1 or picture number 2? Okay, Paolo says the first picture. Emmanuel says picture number 1. Very good. You are both correct. Okay, embarrassed in English is avergonzado en español. It is a false friend. It is not embarazada. Okay, so in English, embarrassed is to feel uncomfortable and ashamed. For example, I see incorrect information in my presentation at work, so I am embarrassed. And in English, pregnant represents embarazada, to be expecting a baby. For example, in 9 months, she will have a baby. She is pregnant. So let's practice using these false friends. Which words relate to embarrassed and which words relate to pregnant? The words are baby, shy, nervous, and mother. Send your comments, envía tus comentarios, which words relate to embarrassed in English and which words relate to pregnant. I will see your ideas here. I will watch for your comments. Okay, good. Anna says pregnant is number 2. Good. What do you think? The words baby, shy, nervous, and mother. Which relate to embarrassed? Which relate to pregnant? Any ideas? Okay, I see some ideas on Instagram there. Baby, good. Excellent. Of course, baby relates to being pregnant. Very good. You are correct. Let me type this here. So when we talk about someone who is pregnant, we talk about a woman who will have a baby, right? She is a mother. And when we talk about someone who is embarrassed, this is an emotion in English, a feeling. And so someone who embarrassed maybe is, someone who is embarrassed can be nervous or shy, like the woman in the picture covering her face. Excellent, great ideas here, great examples. Let's continue for more practice. We have one more pair of words. So which picture, ten cuidado, which picture represents the word? The English word is carpet. What do you think? In picture number 1, we see a man with some documents for work. He has a laptop, he is working. And in picture number 2, we see a woman who is cleaning the floor with a vacuum cleaner here. What do you think? Envía tus comentarios. Which picture represents the English word carpet? Picture number 1 or picture number 2? I will watch for your comments. Good, I see Arisbel says the second. David says the second. Maricel says picture number 2. Lots of good ideas here. Excellent. Okay, so let's verify. Let's check the correct answer. Good, you are all correct. The English word carpet is not carpeta. This is a false friend. The English word carpet means soft fabric for the floor. For example, my living room has carpet, and this is alfombra in Espanol. Folder in English is a place for documents and papers. There is a folder on my desk at work. So the man in the picture was holding a folder. Excellent, lots of great participation, great ideas. So again, remember, we are talking about false friends. words that look or sound the same in different languages. For example, carpet in English and carpeta in Espanol, but they have different meanings. So we have to be careful about using these words. So envía tus comentarios. What other false friends do you know? ¿Sabes más ejemplos? Do you know more examples of false friends? Words that look similar in two languages, but have different meanings? I will watch for your comments here. Do you know any other false friends? We practiced large, no es largo, large. We practiced carpet, no es carpeta, and we practiced embarrassed. Okay, Manuel says tapiz. Okay, I see some other ideas. Oliver says form and shape. Very good, Oliver. Excellent. Form in English is like a shape. Very good. Okay, good. Let me add here one more example. For example, in English, we have the word exit, and in Spanish, we have the word ejito. Who knows what is exit in English? No es ejito. What is exit? Any ideas? Oh, good. Brian says actually and currently. Gustavo, actually and currently. Good. Those are great examples of false friends. Excellent. Very good. Good. Great. Arisbel says salida. Excellent. You are correct. Exit in English is salida in Espanol. Great. Very nice work here. Great participation. Very good ideas. Excellent. Thank you, everyone. Espero que les haya gustado la clase de hoy. Los esperamos el próximo lunes para que aproveches 10 minutos más de inglés gratis con Open English. Y no lo olvides, inscríbete a nuestro curso en openenglish.com para que domines el inglés tan rápido como tú decidas. Te esperamos.